When seeking computer help on Marco Island, avoid common mistakes to ensure you get the best service. First, always get at least 3 quotes before making a decision. This helps you compare prices and services, ensuring you make an informed choice. Don't just choose the cheapest option. Balance cost with the quality and reputation of the service provider to avoid subpar results. Ask for a detailed breakdown of all costs upfront to avoid hidden fees or additional charges that could surprise you later. Always inquire about warranties or guarantees before agreeing to any services. This ensures you have recourse if something goes wrong. Research and read reviews from past customers. This helps gauge the quality of service and can prevent future disappointments. For more information, call 239-421-8187 or visit marcoislandcomputerhelp.com. Get answers to common questions and schedule your no-hassle repair service today.